Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub Tableau tutorials. In the previous lecture, we have seen about how to use the area charts and how we need to work on the aggregation and the time series concepts. So in this video, I am going to explain about a little bit the useful concept, that is nothing but how to add filters and how to use the quick filters in Tableau. Now, without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Okay guys, here what we are having is, so this is the actual graph that we done in the previous lecture, like for the area chart. So if you have a look on this, then you will be getting the complete information what that particular data set is having related to COVID-19. But now what you want to do is, suppose if you want to identify the graph with respect to the each and every month, so how you can do that is, so just what we are having the specimen collection date for the date and the complete date for the year, month and date. So just to take this specimen collection date and place it in the filter. So when you click on when you place it in the filter space, then you will be having this much options. So because of we are placing it in the date, we are having all these options. Like suppose if you want to do filtering based upon the years or quarters, months and days, it will ask such type of options. But here, just for the sake of convenience, I am giving it as a month here. So once you click apply, then you will be having all these options. So for now, I am clicking all here. That means I want to select all those things and then clicking OK. So what it is showing is, because we clicked here complete data, that is why there is no change in the graph. So suppose if you want to edit that particular change, then how you can do that is, so you can either do here edit filter, or you can also click here show filter. So what it is means is, it will show some quick filter here. So by directly you can click here, like suppose if you don't want to include some June month, then you can remove that. And if you don't want to use, or what you can do is, suppose if you want to see only the May month, then you can May and June, then you can see here. Similarly, if you want to see the data without any August value, then you can see the details like this. So if you observe, there are slight changes in the graphs as well. So I don't want to see the May as well. So if you see, there is very slight change, like month and March also I am taking, and June also I am taking, July also taking. So this is the graph that we are having. So just see the observations. Suppose if you have a gender, some fields like gender, male and female, then you can also do the filtering based upon the males as well as females at one time, and you can export that particular details. So here if you don't want any month, or here just I was doing the filtering based upon the month. You can also do the filtering based upon the dates as well. Suppose if you don't want to collect the date, details with respect to the date, some 15th or 16th date in all months, then you can filter it out as well. So this is how you need to add a quick filter here, just directly doing filtering and all, without going to this particular filter field and doing the edit filter and all. And this is how you will do the filtering by selecting few things and deselecting a couple more things. So this is all about the filter and how you can add the quick filters and all. So thank you for watching guys.